In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest Blockman Go mod menu fully working on both iOS and Android devices. This method gives you access to powerful in-game features, including unlimited GCubes and tokens, along with multiple advanced hacks. As you can see on the screen right now, the Blockman Go mod menu includes a wide range of options such as aimbot, invisibility, super jump, unlimited GCubes, unlimited tokens, and many more features that give you a significant advantage in the game. Before we get started, make sure your Blockman Go game is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Blockman Go, and check whether an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to continue. Next, head straight to the pinned comment below this video. In that pinned comment, I explain step-by-step where and how to get Blockman Go++ easily. Follow the instructions exactly as shown to ensure everything works correctly on your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.